हाय दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ हमारा प्रोडक्ट H4 बल्ब, जो कि है मल्टी कलर बल्ब, जिसमें कि 3 मोड्स हैं, हाई बीम, लो बीम और फ्लैशर। तो चलिए देखते हैं हमारा प्रोडक्ट कैसा है। थैंक यू। हाय फ्रेंड्स, टुडे आई हैव ब्रॉट H4 LED bulb multicolor in front of you. This is the unboxing of the product and how it, let's see the unboxing and how it works and what are the modes of this bulb. It's just a normal bulb, H4 bulb, which can be put in place of the bulb in bikes or cars. And this is the bulb, if you can see. Yes, this is the bulb with 3 LEDs and the multicolor ring. So just a H4 port, just plug and play. So now we will see how it works. And this one and this, if you can see, this is the main mode. Now the second mode is this, this, this. It is multicolor. Just first, second, third, and then fourth. How this is how it works, and it has a good light. So that's all in this. It is H4 multicolor. If you want to order, then just please WhatsApp me. The number is given in the description. I will provide shipping also. Thank you.